To create a birthday video, you can use stock content from iStock by Getty Images directly from the Nova platform. First, create a project. There you can already choose stock content, but I'll go to the video editor instead. In Media, you can upload stock media. I search for birthday and I get birthday related stock videos. Let's choose this one. As you can see, it's quite long and repeated twice, so I can shorten it like this. Then I can add another birthday video and resize it by pulling the corners like this. Now let's add some text. Here you can choose size and font, color, design, where it should be placed in the video. And let's write our message now. I can change the color and resize it here. And here you can choose different styles. Let's make the message duration last a little longer by dragging the end of the text on the timeline like so. We can easily add another text by going to text. Again, we can change font, color, style, and sizing. If I want the text to be displayed at the same time, I simply drag one of them up and drop it on the timeline above. Much better. Now I want to add some music. I can add stock music here. I search for birthday again to get birthday tunes. I can preview the music by clicking the small play button. Click the small plus button to add it, and shorten the duration like this. I can also add a voiceover in audio and text-to-speech. There are many languages and voices to choose from in the drop-down menus. I type what I want the voice to say here and preview by clicking Preview.
Happy birthday.
Click Add to Project to add it to the project.
Happy birthday.
And that's the full birthday video. Play around with the different editing options in the menu on your left, such as adding elements and transitions. You can see how to do that in our tutorials listed below. Then go to Export and export your video.